Good afternoon. My name is Luis Carlos Ruiz Tibata. I am 30 years old. I am currently in the 8th semester of System Engineering at Compensar. My profession is a junior broker developer at the Periferia ET company. The singer that I have as a reference is Rafael Escalona, who is a well-known artist and who contributes the first foundation of vallenato folklore in Colombia, and was one of the great reference. His songs are beautiful stories that describe landscapes and beautiful moments. In the interview carried out by the newspaper The Time, the most relevant response of Rafael Escarona were the first question, his favorite song is a response. Rafa, as his friends called him, says that one of the his favorite songs is the one he dedication to his friend Miguel Morales entitled Remember a Premise. When asked the second question, what is your latest composition? When asked what his latest composition is, he replied with a smile saying that he has done is yet. Three question is, do you play the accordion? His response in Rafa is when asked why he never learned to play the accordion. He said that at time the accordion player was a profession for the poor or drunk, which was not will seen by the people and music. Thank you.